Cheesecake heaven.
I have cheesecake. Cheesecake heaven. No, that's perfect.
99 cheesecake. Well.
Okay, so this is Roger, and this is 99 cheesecake, and you can find cheesecakes at 99 cents. It's 23% of fat in the cheese, 900 grams of cheese per cheesecake. Yeah, almost 1 kilogram of cheese. So there's a lot of cheese. Then we put 200 grams of eggs per cheesecake. The whole bottle. It's almost 1 kilogram of
1
sugar.
kilogram of sugar.
Okay, that's enough.
What's coming now?
It's a secret ingredient.
He has secrets.
People can guess it in the comments.
Yeah, people can guess it. 99 cheesecake. Well.
Yeah, it's like a trick. Now paper is more suitable to...
More flexibility.
Yeah, exactly.
I think Svenja can help you.
Yeah, you have to get that thing. Oh, okay, nice.
I can work.
Perfect. Nice. Okay, so then we just will bake this.
How long is this cake in the oven?
It depends. Each cheesecake is different. Depends if it's on the top, on bottom, if it's the first oven, the last one, the middle one.
You change?
Yeah, it goes between 30 and 45 minutes. Depends of the cheesecake. There's a lot of cheesecakes.
No, it's just the...
¿Sientes así incómodo de No, de verdad.
Since you have watched this video so far, you're ready to give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Wie man macht on YouTube and Telegram.